Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Stremio error code failed runtime check. The error reads, "Error code failed runtime check." As per our research, the error comes when users try to play videos. Users have shared that they keep getting this error on many videos while trying to stream content. According to our research, this error may come because of a temporary server-side issue. It may also be triggered by subtitle or audio settings, or due to a conflict in playback mode. Now let's go through the possible solutions for this error. The first thing we suggest is to power cycle your device along with the router. Simply shut down your device and disconnect the router from the power source. Then wait for a few minutes and then restart both. Once done, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then go to the Stremio settings and disable tunneled playback. After disabling it, check if this helps with the error. If the error still persists, then try playing the video using VLC Media Player. Users have reported that streaming the video through VLC bypasses the error. So give this a try and check if the error still comes. If the error still continues, then try turning off subtitles. Just go to the subtitle settings and disable them. After that, try playing the video and see if the error still comes. If the error still doesn't resolve, then consider changing the audio track. Open the audio settings, then select a different audio track if available, and then play the video again. Then check if this helps with the error. At last, if the error still persists, then it may be a short-term server-side issue. In that case, wait for some time and try again. Meanwhile, you can also try playing the video on any other device. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.